Hello, this is Seth Leha with American Semiconductor. Today we will be demonstrating the Flex BLE Dev Kit. American Semiconductor's Flex BLE Dev Kit provides a reliable, ultra-thin Bluetooth demonstration capability and development platform for your next-generation products. The kit utilizes a Flex BLE IC to demonstrate the thinnest BLE SoC in the world and provide it in a fully functional BLE on-flex assembly. The Flex BLE IC is a semiconductor on polymer chip scale, or SOP, packaged Nordic nRF51822. SOP packaging makes the thinnest Bluetooth systems possible. Bluetooth capability is desirable for trackers, headsets, beacons, virtual reality, medical monitors, and many other applications too numerous to list. In most cases, making this capability thinner, smaller, and flexible provides for more desirable Bluetooth products. However, thin systems that bend pose a serious reliability problem for conventional rigid packaging technology, not to mention that conventional packages are really thick. SOP is a wafer-level chip-scale packaging process that produces the thinnest ICs possible from IDM or foundry wafers. SOP CSP can be applied to any 200mm or 300mm silicon wafer, whether bulk or SOI. Because of this, the Flex BLE IC used in the dev kit measures in at less than 35 microns thick, which is less than half the width of the average human hair. With the ability to flex over 10,000 times, the Flex BLE is applicable for wearables, cold storage tracking, Internet of Things devices, and similar products that can benefit from a thin or deformable format. The basic Flex BLE dev kit utilizes the nRF51822 SoC from Nordic Semiconductor. The basic kit is a fully functional flexible hybrid electronic, or FHE, system and is perfect as a standalone demonstrator of ultra-thin and flexible Bluetooth capability. The nRF51 isn't the most advanced BLE SoC, but its relatively large area at almost 4 by 4 millimeters makes it a great device for demonstrating thin and flexible concepts. It is also a great demonstrator for the leading-edge capability of SOP and advanced flip-chip ACA assembly that can make systems thinner and smaller than ever before. This Flex BLE dev kit can be supplemented with the optional Transition PCB. The Transition PCB supports ease of programming, debugging, and prototyping. The Transition PCB also provides an interface to Nordic's standard nRF51 series development kit. The Flex BLE and Transition PCB combo provides immediate capability for development of a variety of ultra-thin Bluetooth concepts and new product ideas. Nordic's nRF51 series development kits provide the capability to access all of Nordic's product support for Bluetooth capability. This board can be used for power, debugging purposes, and is necessary for the programming of the Flex BLE dev kit. For this demonstration, we will be using the basic Flex BLE kit and a 3-volt coin cell battery. The Flex BLE dev kit comes pre-programmed for immediate operation as a Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, beacon for demonstration purposes. However, most users will want to develop their own Flex BLE firmware and hardware systems. We'll start the Flex BLE Beacon demo app and then flip the switch on the coin cell's PCB to apply power. After a moment of waiting, we'll see the BLE kit's MAC address pop up on the screen. A few moments later, we'll see temperature measurements appear as well. The base firmware on the Flex BLE IC will report a temperature every 10 seconds without the need to connect to any host. If we click on the tag, we can view all the information we know about the tag, including the temperature history since it was first detected. If we add a temperature source and let the tag sit for some time, removing the source halfway through, we can observe the temperature fluctuate over time. If we scroll over to the graph page, we can see all the data collected over the known lifetime of the tag. From here, we can choose to save the data to a CSV file and export it if further analysis is required. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the FlexBLE Dev Kit. For more information, please visit our website at www.americansemi.com or email us at sales@americansemi.com.